manufacturing activity. So SIDBI, what we do is first we were funding mainly the existing units who wanted to go for expansion. So when the MSME wanted to go for expansion, what SIDBI was mainly, we were giving loans up to 50 lakhs without any collateral to start with, because though CGTMSE is available up to 2 crore, to start with 50 lakhs is given by SIDBI. Seeing upon, we will be analyzing the financial statements, and based upon their financial statements and the position, SIDBI could grant loan to the MSME units. This is for existing units if they want to go for any expansion, or even MSME units who have land but they want to build and then shift their machineries. Even for that, SIDBI is giving a loan. After the another very important portion of work of SIDBI is promotional and development activities. By this activity, what SIDBI does is we fund. Hello.
Yeah, ma'am. Please go ahead, ma'am. It's audible, ma'am.
Madam, again your microphone is mute. While touching the computer, I think.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, now we can hear you, ma'am. Go ahead, ma'am.
No, we can't hear. Still, that mute sign is there. Just unmute, madam. No, not yet, please.
I think the admin who has called for the meeting can unmute it.
No.
The admin who has called for the meeting can unmute it.
Yes, the host can unmute. Please unmute it.
Yeah, the host can unmute it.
It is not allowing me to unmute.
Yeah, now it's fine.
Yeah.
Now it's fine?
Yes, please go ahead, ma'am.
So next important activity of SIDBI is the promotional and development activities. By this, SIDBI will identify the implementing agencies like who give training, who handhold the MSMEs. For this, we will give a fund from 2 lakhs to up to 10 lakhs depending upon the beneficiaries. So that way we were entering the MSME in the rural area to connect with the buyers in urban area. So for example, like last 2 years back, we could give some funding to Awake, one of the women important institution here in Karnataka. By that, around 40 MSME units from the rural area could participate in an exhibition and seminar, and they could participate as delegates, which was funded by SIDBI. So this is one of these type of various development activities are done by SIDBI, so that handholding is done to the MSMEs, and then we help them to come to the mainstream. So now coming to the funding part directly, suppose there are because many are now in need of fund to start an MSME. So for starting the MSMEs, we have got 2 important fund in SIDBI. One is the startup fund. That where startup fund is actually where you have a very unique product, but funding is not possible. SIDBI, with the help of we have a venture capital funding in Bombay. Now it's shifted to Delhi, so they can fund depending upon the the products. So what exactly we do is, if the product is very unique, we'll be asking them to make a presentation. They can come to our local Bangalore office. From here, the presentation can be done by way of VC to our HO colleagues. So once if the product is very unique, then the funding is done by SIDBI by way of venture funding. This is for startup units. And there are another funding called from government agency, Stand Up India scheme. Stand Up India scheme is for greenfield project, that is mainly for only for women entrepreneurs and SC/ST entrepreneurs. So here the funding is from 10 lakhs to 1 crore without any collateral, and it is for any new projects. Even trading is allowed under Stand Up India scheme. So this is a scheme which is operated to various commercial banks, and SIDBI is actually a nodal agency. We monitor the Stand Up India scheme. So many like in rural areas, since SIDBI is not available, means our network is not there. This funding is done through the commercial banks. But I request women entrepreneurs in away from Bangalore. See, up to 100 kilometers, SIDBI can fund any unit here, and if it's above 100 kilometers from Bangalore or from Bangalore, they can take the help of this scheme, actually, Stand Up India scheme. And existing units actually who are into even exports can also be benefited by SIDBI because we have a foreign, we have a, our Bombay Way, we have one department which is taking care of all the foreign transactions. So even if the funding is needed in the foreign, whatever, like dollars or euros, anything, that can be funded by SIDBI, depending upon the, of course, the MSME's financial position. So that's why I was told that even the export agencies are also joining in this group. So they can, in fact, propagate this about SIDBI's funding to the exporting units also. So we can even, that will be at a very competitive rate. So they can approach SIDBI for any funding if needed for any exports. Another, at this time where there is this coronavirus thing, we have got a new scheme called SAFE that I want everybody to hear it. This is a scheme to provide financial support to all MSMEs who are manufacturing any products which are directly or indirectly related to fighting coronavirus, such as permitted drugs, who manufactures drugs, who manufactures sanitizers, masks, body suits, overalls, gloves, testing labs, ventilators, all are eligible under this funding. Here, all MSMEs, whether they want funding for the machinery purchase or if they want money financial assistance for purchase of material, both are eligible. And the maximum loan as of now it's available is 50 lakhs. So they can approach SIDBI. We need only existing customers who have cash profit in the last balance sheet, financial 2019, and they can just avail this benefit. So I request everybody, they should not be in SMA 1 or 2, only those customers which, MSMEs who have earned cash profit in last audited balance sheet of financial 2019 can approach SIDBI. And normal, very simple documentation is there. And we propose to even sanction, if mandatory information is received, within 2 days, the sanction is going to happen. And even within a day, next disbursement can happen. So this is the new scheme which is available right now. And we are all, SIDBI employees, we are all working from home actually. So this scheme is actually done digitally. So there is, even if SIDBI is closed, there is no issue. By way of mail and by way of WhatsApp, the funding can happen. So I request anybody who are into these type of products and approach SIDBI. They can come through us through Laghu Udyog Bharati or through SAR, whoever is interested. Correct. Hello.
Please go ahead, ma'am.
Another one small information on TREAD scheme, that is receivable finance. That suppose MSMEs who are not able to get the funding immediately, they can register themselves in the TREAD platform. I'm not going into deep into that because I don't have the exact presentation also on that. But we can have one more session on this separately, TREAD scheme, because there are experts who are available for this to make in detail the presentation. But what simplified what I'm telling is they can register in TREAD platform and the payment is realized within one or 2 days. Only the requirement is that manufacturer, he should also have registered in the TREAD platform. So that scheme is very useful for MSMEs to realize their profits immediately. Apart from that, SIDBI is into various now CSR activities are also there. You are able to hear?
Yes, ma'am. Please go ahead.
Okay. SIDBI, we have got a corporate social funding also, by which if any NGOs or who has the tax exemption, they can approach SIDBI, and who are helping the poor or village for health, sanitation, we can SIDBI can give them funds. So, and so to sum up, I'm telling you, SIDBI can fund new units as well as the existing units. Existing units want to go for expansion. SIDBI, based on the balance sheet, we can fund. And if collateral security is there, we can even fund up to 20 crores as per the project size. And for the new unit, there are two schemes, Startup India and Stand Up India scheme. Startup India scheme is for products where some innovation is involved. But for the Stand Up India scheme, it's for women as well as the CST entrepreneurs. If new startups are also there, without any innovation, if the product is very viable, SIDBI can definitely fund those units also. Yes, sir.
Please go ahead, ma'am.
Hello.
Please go ahead, ma'am. Continue your presentation, ma'am.
Yeah, sure. See, actually, I'm telling a brief explanation how our MSME project funding is done. First, what we do, we see there is an online portal. See, up to 3 crore, SIDBI does not want any application to come to the branch. There is a portal, is the PSB minutes. If you go to www.sidbi.in, you can just note down our SIDBI website. There, if you go, there is a link given to apply online all the loans. Okay, so through the online application, Pan India we are working. So that can be the head office is located at Lucknow and Bombay. So they will be actually delegating the cases to the concerned branches. Suppose one person in Hyderabad, he is applied, the case our Hyderabad branch will be taking care. And for the Bangalore office, SIDBI Bangalore will be taking care. There is a branch in Hubli. In Karnataka alone, we have 4 branches. We have in Bangalore, we have in Pune, one in Hubli, and actually Hosur is there, which is taking care of mostly Bamsandra and the Tamil Nadu border also. So these 4 branches can be approached online actually. Once system, because online it's a very simple application. It will take max 49 1 hour max. Within that time, the sanction will be flowing to your mobile, your registered mobile number. So if you are not eligible, then it will not flow there. So they are kept the checks everywhere. Accordingly, the sanction will happen. Once in principle sanction comes to your mobile, then the case will be assigned to an officer in the branch. Okay, so the concerned officer will be advising the unit to come to the branch, bring their 3-year balance sheet. We will check the balance sheet. Apart from that, there is a CIBIL check is also online application only we'll know. But still, again, since there is a time gap or something, again we'll see the CIBIL. Once the CIBIL report is good, normally we take 7 days to 10 days to finish the sanction disbursement. And one of the another important scheme which recently SIDBI has started is there are 2 schemes. One is that is SIDBI loan for purchase of machinery. Suppose the MSME unit is purchasing a machinery from a large manufacturer. What SIDBI does is we take 25% secure FD. We advise them to keep it as security to SIDBI. We don't ask for any other security. That FD will be treated as a collateral security and it will be kept with SIDBI and it will earn some 7% interest rate. 100% funding will be done by SIDBI directly to the machinery manufacturer. Like that, SIDBI has entered into MOUs with around more than 50 manufacturers, VFW, ACE manufacturer, Melectron, so many other manufacturing, bigger units, bigger companies. And another scheme is called Pratham scheme. Suppose one of the MSME manufacturer is purchasing machinery, but that particular manufacturer is not entered into an MOU with SIDBI. Still, that loan can be done to the machinery supplier directly. But only thing there will be a different 30% FD has to be kept because the manufacturer is not entered into MOU with SIDBI. So these are the 2 new schemes to help the MSMEs. And this we do with a very minimum documentation. Within a week's time, max to max, within 10 days, the sanction and disbursement happens. So these are the new two schemes which will be helpful for the MSMEs. And actually, we had earlier one scheme called Smile, but right now that fund is over because that was giving some women ke liye some importance and some funding benefit was given. But right now that's not available, so I'm not going into that scheme actually. It should be making it a fund scheme. Okay.
Ma'am, can we take the
So,
question?
yes, sir.
Time is short, ma'am. Another,
Yeah, sure, sir.
That's all. So can I just take the questions? My president is asking, does SIDBI have any special scheme for MSMEs to start the business post-COVID-19 lockdown?
Yeah. Acha, it is for the new units, you mean? They are going to start unit? Hello?
No, for the existing units also, ma'am.
Yeah, definitely. That's what. Hello, sir. Hello. Yeah, we have this new scheme called SAFE. Just now I told. The scheme is for the one who manufactures all the sanitizers, masks, and any products directly or indirectly related to coronavirus. So SIDBI is funding them up to 50 lakhs without any collateral.
My question was,
Yes, sir. Tell me, sir. How are you, sir?
can I speak?
Yeah, please,
Yeah,
please ask the question. Brief. Make it very brief.
I mean, Madam, namaste, ma'am. Ma'am,
Namaste,
the
sir.
question, I mean, how are you, ma'am? Then my question was last, Shrikant Datta was asked now. So what was the thing is, after 21 or 1 month of lockout, locking the units, our machineries are required to be overhauled or has to be restarted. For that, some expenditures are required. For that, is it possible to frame up a new scheme for this particular that can be converted to term loan later part? Probably we require this 2 lakh or 5 lakh, a small amount, not big amounts for those things. Since after 1 month of locking the machines, all small parts or something might have, replaced. Everything has to.
Understood, madam. Please go ahead.
Absolutely.
Everything has to be done.
See, actually speaking, there is we have not yet got any scheme for that, but still, no, it's a good suggestion. You can write to SIDBI, sir. You can write to my mail ID, or we will just take you to HO and get it done also. Because this SAFE scheme also has come for the coronavirus products only. But during this time, lockdown units ke liye some benefits we wanted to, the scheme has been. Yeah, that you can give us a suggestion. So we'll just take it to our HO and get it cleared also. We work
Thank
from.
you, ma'am.
Is asking, ma'am, what is the rate of interest for borrowing in SAFE scheme?
Yes, sir.
What is the interest rate for SAFE scheme, ma'am?
5% interest rate, sir. It's a very.
And Ms. Vandana is asking, what is meant by new projects?
What is
meant by new projects?
See, new projects means which is started within 6 months where there is no audited balance sheet. They are just into the starting process.
And there's one more question from Mr. Saikat, ma'am. Is there any funding loan scheme for construction activities?
No, sir. SIDBI does not fund any construction activity. They are very clear in that. Our mandate does not allow only manufacturing activities, service activities like hotel and hospitals only. No construction.
Any more questions, please?
Hello, sir.
Madam, I own electronics and electrical manufacturing industry in Chennai.
Hello, sir.
We
Hello.
are part of the Indian.
కలబంద ఏంటి ఇంకోటి ఉండాలి.
Hello, madam.
Hello, everyone. Request everyone to mute your audio. Only the question asking participant can ask Madam Padmaja. Otherwise, everyone not to ask. Shekhar is coordinating. Request everyone to mute your audio.
And there is one more question. What is the
Madam.
document prepared for applying online, ma'am?
What is the?
What documentation is required for applying online?
See, that's what IT should be filed on time. Okay, and GST returns should be with them ready actually. So these are the two main information which will be needed while filing online.
Mr. Mohit is asking whether manufacturer of old machinery purchase also eligible for 25% collateral facility, ma'am?
Yeah, definitely. Well, second-hand machinery, you mean, sir?
Yeah, old second-hand machinery, yes, ma'am.
Actually, yeah, we can take. Actually, it's not eligible, but we can take a reference with the Hello. We can take a reference and get the.
Hello. Yeah, madam.
Yeah. Ma'am, can you just give us a brief profile of providing details on export finance, ma'am?
See, that's what export finance, like suppose there are units who export to the other countries. Okay, the same way only, we need their 3-year balance sheet only. And suppose if they are exporting to other country, we have a HO at corporate office at Bombay who are dealing with this forex funding. So our branch will send the request to the forex branch at Bombay. The finance will be enabled. Only same thing actually, but only thing is they should be in the manufacturing activity. The exporters also should be in the manufacturing activity.
Is there any
trading is not allowed in City?
Any scheme for micro entrepreneur in the tourism sector, ma'am?
Tourism sector, if there is some hotel project involved, yes, we can do that.
What is the interest rate on Stand Up India, ma'am?
Stand Up India, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
It's a band rates, 9.5 to 12 as per their rating we get. Because each products and each there is a rating with a rating schedule module is with us. As per that we go.
Madam, continuing the question, you said trading is SIDBI is not for trading units, but whereas the CGT MSME